So when we are using laser scanning technology, we don't need to always reach the element. So if you have to measure a beam or a column capital or a facade, so you don't need to reach there, which means our dependency on the scaffolding is reduced. Just think the time required to assemble, disassemble the scaffolding, or even repositioning a ladder is a saving of both money and time, which means it is the fastest and the safest way to develop the as-built drawings. The data accuracy with laser scanning is high as 5 mm. So which means lesser chances or no surprises when we are planning or constructing. On-time activity of capturing data. So one time compared to the manual survey, here we can have the record of the site condition, which can be used anytime from our desk to re-verify any data. So this is an additional benefit that we don't need to rush to the site for any missing information. So saving the travel time, transportation cost, and a lot more. The same as-built model can be used for design, analysis, and simulation by engineers. So all the stakeholders involved in the project can use this same data for their part of work. Few of our clients have used our service for workplace redesign and optimization of seating capacity. So this helped them to increase the seating capacity while adhering to all the codes and standards. Design option can be worked into the same model in future. So whenever you want to do some localized design update, like for the factory where we were doing renovation or redesign of a particular line, assembly line, so we can only update that line, which makes and the shop drawings can be extracted and submitted to the site, so which makes it really helpful and keeps the site drawings up to date. So we can extract the shop drawings of particular area from the same model. So all these as-built models can be further used for facility management, operation management throughout the asset life cycle. So this is not just for clash detection, coordination, or as-built recording. These models are so capable that you can take it to any CMMS platform, and like we have a Grandland Manager, or you can use these platforms, asset management platforms, operation, and you can use for facility management, operation, and maintenance. Can be used for validation of projects at various renovation stage. So before demolition or after demolition. So if the client wants to know the amount of demolition, the site can be scanned twice. That is, one is before the demolition and one is after the demolition. And you can find the exact area where the demolition is done and the quantity. So similar with the renovation works also. So once the demolition is completed and after renovation, if you scan, you can know exactly how much quantity of material has been put into renovation. And this really helps our client for bill approvals and certifications. So these were a few of the important advantages of laser scanning for renovation projects.